What's going on? Josh kicking it crew. Yo, we back. What's going on, Josh kicking it crew? It's your boy Josh, and yo, we here with another one. Yo, before we get into this shoe, before we get into this unboxing, you ever start doing something and you realize how much you like it or how much you love it, or you start doing it and you went so long without doing it, you realize that you've been missing. This is what has been missing in your life. That's what shoes do for me. I know it's material, but I like colors. I like to dress well, and I like to walk in the room being myself every time. If my outfit say that's Joshua, I'm all for it. I love it. And a lot of people don't understand that. A lot of people don't understand how you dress, how you walk into places, how you carry yourself, how you even talk about yourself becomes you. And that's what people see. So shoes, clothes, hats, glasses, all that other stuff is an extension of me. None of this stuff looks good, I feel, until I put it on. So with that being said, we're gonna go into these beautiful butterflies here, and let's get into these shoes and walk into every room being yourself. They either gonna like it or they not gonna like it, right? So with that being said, yo, we back. We gonna get into this shoe, and hey man, I think this one of the dopest one out. I think by the time this video drop, the Jackie Robinsons will be dropping. What else will be dropping? The Jackie Robinson Air Max 1s. I put them up somewhere around here. The Jackie Robinson Air Max 1s, which is not the best ones. I don't think they did the dunks great. I don't know about these Air Max 1s. I don't know if it's a full collection coming out with them. But, however, I'm not liking the color blocket with the blue and the white at the top, as y'all can see here. But it is a great collector's piece if you went to collecting shoes, or if you just like shoes to just have shoes. I'm not into that. I think it's a great that they do that for Jackie Robinson, because everything he's done for the game of basketball and for blacks. But me personally, I'm not going after these shoes because I don't want a collector's piece. I want a shoe that I can wear. And I feel like with the blue and the color blocking on it, I don't feel like I can make it work. Now, if I get it and I make it work, so be it. But me just on the outside looking in, it's not a shoe I'm going after. So, with that being said, let's get into this box, man. Let's get into this box. Yo, shout out to GOAT. Once again, shout out to GOAT. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that. I just happen to be on GOAT to check prices and to see what new shoes are coming up a lot. And they sell cheap shoes. I got these for 88 bucks. 88 bucks on GOAT. I kid you not. My size was an 88. I kid you not. And yeah, this is the Air Max 1. White, black, and Monarch. White, black, and Monarch. These are in the size 12. Bam, bam. Orange box. Orange box king. No. Orange box. And yeah. Let's get into them. I don't want to make this a long video. Shout out to GOAT. Once again, let's get into these. They come so wrapped beautifully. Like, they come wrapped like a birthday cake. Like, let's get into them though. Bam, let's get one out. Get two out. This is, like I said, a size 12. The code for this will be in the description, but it's FN6952101 if you're looking for it. But let's get into them. I like orange. I wasn't able to hop on the orange women's release with the patch. I wasn't able to hop on them. Them are going for a pretty penny, but I do plan on going back and getting them. But these is something I really had to hop on. Orange, I think, is a dope color. And bam, that Monarch. Look at that Monarch. Ooh, that's more like a burnt orange. More like a burnt orange. With the gray hints up here, black Nike sign. You can't go wrong with this. A great, great, great summer shoe. Shorts. I think this will look dope with definitely a lace swap in them. But yeah, yeah. Tell me what y'all think, man. Suede. Woo, that suede so lovely. Can I don't know, is the camera even catching that? Man, the suede is so lovely, man. Get the other one out. The suede is so lovely. Like the Nike sign is suede. Also with the pattern here is suede. Look at the bottom. Black with that gray tint to them, that gray hue to them. Black Nike bubble inside as well. And to be honest, this just a dope shoe. It's a subtle dope shoe. Something that's gonna stand out on its own and make you look twice at it. Like, dang, what's them? But also something you can definitely rock with some different other colors and some different stuff, man. I told y'all I don't want to make this a long video. I like shoes. I like the colors that they come in. If y'all look behind me, I am Pop's shoes. I'm a collector of first edition shoes. I love first edition shoes. I really want to get into that more because I am a fan of that. Air Force Ones, Air Max Ones, just anything, the start of anything of a collection. Jordan Ones. I just haven't been a big fan of collecting Jordan 1s just because I think they're flat and you can only rock them so much, right? They don't do me personally. I don't like them with shorts. So this season coming up, I won't do shorts. I won't do Jordan 1s as much. But needless to say, this is a dope shoe. Right now, they're on GOAT for $88, and that's without the shipping and all that other stuff. So altogether, you're probably paying like around $125, depending on your shoe size. So go cop them. The link will be down in the description. Once again, the Monarch Air Max 1s, gray, Monarch, black, dope shoe, dope shoe, dope shoe. If this is something that you're into, please go cop. If it's not, keep going. Sorry if this is not what you're looking for, but yeah, dope. Yo, this your boy Josh kicking it once again. Do me a favor, stay blessed. Always find a way to get your blessings, and we out.